Hi, this is Dakota.
Hi, this is Ella.
We are here at the Tesco Bank Football Challenge.
We're looking forward to an exciting race. Ooh, that was close.
I know, do you think we could shout to them? Let's see if you can go even faster. Come on, let's go faster! Let's see if you can beat the score of running. Let's go! Yay! Wow. This was Dakota.
This was Ella. And we've been live at the Tesco Bank Football Challenge.
Thank you for watching our race.